Hey, YAUHENI here. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up, create, and provide us with login and password to get emails with Discover My Business. So basically, it will allow us to generate more leads, about 20% plus, through the IP addresses. So meaning, for example, if someone go to our landing page, which we advertise through the Google Ads, we will, and they not submit a contact form or didn't call you, what we can do through the IP address, we can find out the full name, email address, and the page or landing pages they are visited. So with the live real-time notification to your email box, you can just follow up them right away or add this information to a CRM or email marketing app. So that will help us to increase conversion rate. That's why we have conversion rate between 30 to 70% with Google Ads, plus with all additional softwares we're using. So you will be going to this page, click free trial, then click free match test, enter all of your information, so your first name, your last name, company name, your office phone number or your cell phone. If you want to receive notification, enter your cell phone, your corporate website URL, then click how did you hear about us, friend, colleagues, then business type. If you are B2B space or you are in continue, or you just like law, or you are, I don't know, repair company, click other, unique website visitors. So just always click 1 to 10,000. If you know your website traffic, unique visitors or sessions through the Google Analytics, put this out here. Work email, use your business email to sign up, then create your password. Make sure that you provide us with this password and the email. Then click accept. Make sure that you enter the CAPTCHA over here and click create account. After that, I will be going right now to our dummy account. After you click create account, please send us a login and password. So I'll use one of our accounts. Over here, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. The first step you need to do is integrate your Get Emails account with your corporate website. So how to do this? On the left side, you will go to code snippet and you'll see your corporate website. Again, depend on your company, you need to have a basic skills to integrate with this code. So you will go to this domain which you created account for, click view script, click collect, and just copy this code and ask your developer to enter this code to your corporate website. Or you can just basically click email at teammate, click email teammate, and enter the email of your developer. In the meantime, please provide us with a login and password, as well as go to My Accounts, then go to Subscription, and pick the package. So we provide, as I said before, 15% off on the subscription, as you see over here, with 400 leads a month. So we guarantee that we will provide you with 400 leads. Again, it all depends on the traffic we generate. If you want to just receive only emails, just pick the emails. We always recommend to our clients use premium subscription for up to 400 leads, which is $160 a month. Since we drive traffic from Google Ads, relevant traffic to your landing pages, that's the package we always recommend to go. So after you click premium, just click continue and you will be upgraded to the subscription. Make sure that you enter your billing information and subscribe to the package. Please, again, provide us with the login and password so we can set up everything, all of the snippets to our landing pages. Thank you and looking forward in the next video.